Hey guys, it's Lici. I'm trying to figure out the least awkward way to record because I'm actually filming on my camera that I've had for a while, but I just always film on my phone out of laziness, but like, I'm trying, okay? I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm not getting into all of that because that's not what we're here for. We're here for corpse paint. This is my first time ever doing it, so hopefully it'll be nice. I watched like a 3-minute video on how to do it, and I don't feel like pulling it up again, so we're just gonna wing it based off of what I've done. And I don't even have a mirror with me. Here, I'm gonna set it right here. That's smart. That's so smart. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, so my hair. I dyed my hair green. Should I make a video on that? I might. I'm gonna just like loop it around here because I don't know what else to do with it. And I have this Spirit white cream makeup from Spirit Halloween. I'm gonna put this on here. Woo. So I just gotta put white face paint all over my face. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Whee. You do it on your nose, right? Yeah, you do it on your nose. And I feel weird just like wearing this plain black shirt right now, but I also didn't want to wear anything that I was afraid to mess up. Oh, I see it. Okay. Do I do it over my eyebrow? How do you do it around piercings? What do you do about the piercing? Should I do clown makeup? Maybe I'll change this to clown makeup, honestly. This looks so stupid right now. I think I'm not gonna put white on my eyes because I am gonna do black all over my eyes. I should have got black face paint, but I don't have it. I think I do. Well, actually I might because I bought this face paint kit thing for Pride, but I didn't use any black of it, and I'm pretty sure it's in my car. So I could go get that and then run outside. And our neighbors are 3-year-olds, and they always play outside, so it's fun to like go 10 miles per hour when I see them. One time I was going 10 miles per hour, or probably slower than that, because they were outside by themselves without their parents, and I was just like, what? And the little girl, I kid you not, and she moved into her driveway, and then she is just looking at me, and then she goes, because she wanted me to speed up. Like, I am doing this for you. I am making sure I do not hit you and your little fetus self with my car. Sure, it was clear that she knew that she should get out of the middle of the road, but like, I also don't trust 3-year-olds. Okay, it's like a patch in the middle that's not sticking. This is in my hair. But how do I know you're not gonna run like into the street? This looks so patchy and messy. This feels so uncomfortable on my face. I genuinely do not like the way it feels. But that could just be me, because the other day I put on a hoodie to go to work, and because we got our AC fixed, I just could not wear it. I don't know if it's sensory issues or what, but it was just the most uncomfortable, scratchy thing I'd ever felt. And that was like a hoodie I used to wear all the time like a year ago. Why is it just not working here? Stay. No. This is not a tutorial. I don't know, this probably looks like crap on camera. Now I guess you gotta do the eyeliner. I guess I should wait for it to dry. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing it over my eyebrows. Oh, I don't have black lipstick. That would be so easy if I had black lipstick. I'm just gonna do eyeliner and eyeshadow and hope for the best. Okay, I'm gonna do the lip part. I'm not sure if I can do this on camera. 1 second. Okay, my lips are black, and now I guess I'll finish the lip part of it. I don't know what I'm doing for the lip part of it, actually.
You're doing what?
Corpse paint.
Okay.
Do you like it?
No.
Why not?
Yes.
Yo, your friends comment.
My friends comment? No, they don't.
One of them was like, I go to school with your brother.
Who?
I don't know.
Don't be hot.
Don't be hot.
Okay.
He was like, Lici, stop calling yourself emo. And I was like, why? And he was like, cause you're not emo. And like by that he meant I'm like more punk or something like that. But like, you're not emo, stop calling yourself emo. But I use emo as an umbrella term just for everything. So I was calling myself emo, and he was upset, and he was like, no. Because like, this is a real person that apparently watches my channel. I'll give her a fake name. Sally. Sally's emo. Then let me see a picture of Sally. And then he was like, I don't have any pictures of Sally. But if Sally's emo and I'm not, I need to see some pictures of Sally. Did y'all enjoy that little cameo from my brother? We love him. We like to keep him around. Gosh, there's not good lighting in my room. I can only imagine what this will look like if I like went in the bathroom or something. Oh crap, my Face ID is not gonna work? Okay. I don't know why I thought it would. If you can hear them arguing about some Star Wars thing, just ignore it. Don't I just like messily do it? Okay. I'm gonna check the video one more time. Oh my god, no, it's not, it's uneven. Like this side like goes up more. I hate this. This is not working, look. Okay, see, it looks fine from like here, right? You can just see everything wrong with this. I surrender. I'm gonna do a second attempt of this, but like with my friend probably. I have an idea. Oh, this might be doing something. Can you call this corpse paint? Now I'm actually done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know I did. I don't know what to say, but I will see you next time.